What's popping, everybody? You know what it's mean? My name is Mr. Aubreaction, all the way from South Africa to those Ed Sheeran fans all over the globe, you know. So today I'm back with another guy. This guy, I feel like he's one of the best writer when it comes in music industry, and he's also one of the best vocalist, you know, in music, like in this music industry. I think he's one of the best. I don't think there's anyone like, yes, there are people that we can compare to him and stuff, but I feel like he's up there. If we check the people who can write well, you know, who can sing and everything, I think he's up there. I think he's up there. But hey man, let me not talk about that today. I'm back with my first ever Ed Sheeran reaction. So this one is a video bad episode, so I'm not used to interacting into videos, but hey man, I just had to try this, and then so that we can kickstart this. So I'm kickstarting this with Ed Sheeran Bad Habits. Let's go. Those are the vampire teeth, right? Okay. Bad habits. Okay, I get it.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful.
I don't know why it's reminding me like of Joker Nyanada. You know, it's reminding me of Joker a bit. I don't know why, but when I see him like doing like all this stuff and the paint in the eyes, I'm like, oh, there's Joker.
My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes, stare into space, and I know I lose control.
So the town, let me just say, the town is infected with those vampires, and they are busy like affecting each and everybody. Resident Evil.
All of the things that I say, yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. Every pure intention ends when the good times start.
I want to say props to the makeup artist of these videos. They did their job very well. This is a nice job, like the makeup artist. Mwah.
And over everything to reach the first time spark.
Oh, that's it. Yo.
Started on the neon lights and then it all got dark. I only know how.
And it's like Ed Sheeran is the king of them all, because it's the one like he's wearing different. It's like the suit, you know, and is the only one that I've seen here right now, unless if I missed something, who is flying. So yeah.
How to go too far. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes, staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits lead to you. know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use, or do my bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space? And I know I lose control over the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you.
What the hell? Like he just in the morning just like took off everything like that. It's like he's saying at night I have bad habits at night, and then during the day I'm this nicest person, you know. I feel like that's what the video is saying. Like during the day I'm this nicest person that you can ever meet, but during the night I'm the baddest, you know. But I do bad habits, I do bad things, but during the day I'm one of the nicest person that you can ever know. So I think that's what the video is saying. That was Ed Sheeran, Bad Habits. Yeah, that's it. 94 Pro Gaming Station, and I'm out. I'm just still phased by the editing. Like I'm just trying to like understand.